Hagasin Panikong Hagajala Meglaya, Kikana Pulega Don Bosco Technical School, Kashalong Polytechnic, the National Institute of Technology, but Kikana Badunjing the Ko Hakidakot Met, Laniki persons with disability, Kilayo Jinghikai, Kumnuban Pintikna, Bayaki Kali Gibarim, Laban Pinya Biang, Haki Surokba, Clemda Pinjabo Yakamariang, but Kanika de Ling Baga Jing Bujilino, Yaki Naki Kali Gibaya, the internal combustion engine, Lanika ICE engine, Shaki electric vehicle battery. Yakanika training kabasal ngilenter la pinyai the Alliance for Energy Efficient Economy ringkat ka jinga tray lang jongko Autobot India ka SGT electric vehicles ka barefoot trust ba ka Don Bosco Technical School Shillong ha ka Palau jongka te ka school hala imkra.
It's very obvious the world is on a fast track journey to electric vehicles. Only thing is not every state or every country is catching up with that because of the cost of new electric vehicles. So that's where the retrofitment comes in place, especially the northeast states where they have very small cars and they want to keep it for a long time, very passionate about their own car. So we can just retrofit and then keep that car as it's a second life for that car. It involves some amount of technology, the design aspects and also government approvals. Once we take that, the retrofitment it's very easy. It's more or less like you have a Maruti car workshop or a Hyundai car workshop where the vehicle come for servicing. You take the engine out and do something there and refit it. It is as simple as that.
Hagajia kren but kinong yalam jonganika program la yathu baga jingtmu jonganika workshop ka long ban pin ku bor ya kina puli mechanical engineering daga jingnang ga jingtep ki bakat kum ka por Mynta hagajo ka por ban pin kre ki ka jingkala jong por kata laga day hagityar gitar ki bangi pundon kam ka jingnang jingtep bangi don ne ka mariang baga saudong ka saukun ka jongi.
At Autobot India, we work to build an ecosystem for EV nation. Importance of adoption of EV is required right now because there are three major issues. First thing is the climate change. The environment is getting very hampered due to the internal combustion engines, which the pollutants they create. We are basically working on the cleaner environment. That's why we need the adoption of EV faster.
Convert ban pynkylla yakini ki kali ki bala khamrem mo ya ka engine but ki part ki component jong engine pynkylla shek electric athai ka kabha
Henry ki jingkali ba khmat dam ki long kamiglay ka day ka jila ka baduna ka boarding hatu ka sngo ya ha ban thiet ki kali EV lani ban bujri no ki battery sha ka EV lani ka ta electric vehicle but ka baar ka long ka nu ka jinglut lada phi bujli ya ka IC engine sha ka EV Kador kalong kumba saw hado sanlak na magajing rampalat jong battery.
A retrofitted vehicle costs around 30% of the new electric vehicle. If on an average new electric vehicle costs around 15 lakh, the retrofitment can be done for as low as 30% cost. And even the recurring cost post retrofitment, like recurring cost includes fuel cost, maintenance cost, that becomes much more lesser in a retrofitted electric vehicle.
Hoi galot ga battery but ga donro ga mo kini ki company ga bon lang ban ngi ga EEE bar ga Autobot SIJ na po Pune ki don ga system ro ba yigitu gi engine bangi weng naga kali ga barem nagi diesel lane nagi petrol yagito ga engine berkito ki component ngembret mo yagito ngen sapenon kam nam ta kiwei pateng kawai bangi skotnat ba habai kenu berkiwei galang kumne ba ma kamai khalia ga ga chaka ba itna adu kata kata kamariang ba itna kali air ga ba itna tangkawai ga ba pin sniu kali air ga kamai khalia kolong ba kikali bon mo te wala da blessing em don kata ga power belong stable mo wala da kata ngathai kidang don hi kilat mo
hot kandang shimpori ki pai ba jang ka jala ka jangi ban phai shaki ta ki electric vehicle balai namar ki daw ki babun henry kamlong ka jing do nong pat ya ki khna puli ban yo ka jing hikai ha ka bai dai ba ka jing shna ya ki ev namar ka pin khre ki na ka benta ka lashai
abai dai bat kan ka training ba Mynta ba wan ha kan ha pa dembusko yo shbun ki jing toy ka ba ki bala ai ngi ka jing tip chapang ga electronic vehicle ka ba ka trekam kumno bat ka yai kumno kan ka kali ta mo ka ne ev ha ne ha ka po ka stage ngi kadang duna keng lapai ta namar kador ka ne ka ev vehicle ka kamrem de compare bat ka ne ka ic engine ngim supai ta kador ngim perkhat ya ka future jang ne ka vehicle ro ka best ka kambes ban ya ka ne ka ic engine ngim de perkhat yang ta kador ngim de perkhat namar ba ka ne ka ev vehicle ka yarap sibon ngi kham tam ba yadai bat ka environment
là ai chung tôi chỉ muốn nghĩ rồi và nghìn đây là cái này cả stream cái này mechanical stream là do trực tiếp kinh doanh thì
Mynta iba ka porse Mynta ka bon ta ki along ba jakya lu da Mynta ki ev de ka yadano ku na ka mariang ka don ka ku na ka cakap ka anda
Mas ngoba kala yarap shibon ini khamtam mangile ngide na po Shillong Polytechnic and ngide na po branch mechanical ti kadjing le jong kani ti kani training ka penyarap ni kumno bangin sotu shishu ye ki jaj engine ki bangila ba news khamtam kum kani li ba kani option ni la ba news ba kan yarap ingi ban like bagadi zero emission te ka yarap ingi kumno ban protect climate jingi khamtam mentally bangila i ba kala shit palat ga banang ingi shoot bagi dai te electric vehicles mangim te pat in depth ya kani ka about the kani electric vehicle kanir ko dang long new thing but kibun kibri ba kimpat so not ban use kini ki kali mar kibun ki jing e khamtam mak jingi ba kumno kin use kini kali
ki jing e ba ki ding pin kyang ki pun henry ka jing start ka shong ha ka jing pin kre wala ka por kam bat biang kam mut bangin shu shong klik ti but up ya ka ta ka por ka ban poi kam do nong e ban yo jing hi kai but day na ka ni ka daw ba ka Don Bosco Technical School ru kala shem ya ka rai ban kun thop ya ki ev retrofitting ha ka we na ki course ki jong ki
Mynta usnem ngila snang ngi collaborate lang bat ka we ka company na po Orissa on Sky Rider ka set up na ka banta electric vehicle po Don Bosco ngila biang adong sidong ngila dep mo ti snang mat sang ngi ka training ti namar mantang ngi tip lakum no la don thai shis pa tam ki gili electric vehicle ha po Meghalaya ti lakum no kide bandon ki khna ban maintain ban nang kumno ban repair molom la mo part of the main training we also will add is an add-on thing in don training jonga electrofitting then in sodon kinegi technician jonga two wheelers four wheelers kine arshaka balla saushaka par ga chu ko paro ngin don saka we pat ka electric vehicle kumot ki khna kinyo lang kini bar khoi ken khnang ba haba ki le nang ni mo kinyo ken ki kam hanela da ngi train tang to electric vehicle te ya ga ba ban ta de ki khna ginam yo mo
Kaya ka jing sngo jong pi halor ka ni senja. Pasha de ki jing mo jing perkai ki jong pi ha ka ni comment section po. But what glad ban like, share, but subscribe ya ka channel ka jongi.